Hey everyone, this is Jack and welcome back to my channel. This is day 6 of Burning Man Waking Dreams 2022 and today is Thursday, so we were actually going to... wait, no, it's Friday. We start out the day with a DIY and a food thing from our neighbor. Today we were going to be decorating sunglasses or bejeweling anything that you wanted to bedazzle.
You get double. You get double.
Yay!
You got turquoise. Custom made sunglasses.
Ta-da! My new sunnies! They're beautiful. We got this guy over here. We got some green gems and some googly eyes and a merman.
So good.
Wow. Wait, what'd you say that is? Carrot sauce?
Oh my
Carrot and ginger hummus.
Thank you.
You're gonna burn it?
I'm gonna burn it.
Wow! Yes! Is the owl your spirit animal?
We see a lot of owls.
Yeah.
One of many.
Yummy. Surrender the booty. Music Savages gave us for the margarita. I took a photo of these butterflies because I really liked the pattern. Toy. Everything you need is inside of you. We went to a camp called Nipple Crime and I couldn't film because they were having a sensual hot dog eating contest. But after that, we were good to drink some beer and connect with the group. Oh, so good. I love the colors too. The colors of... What?
Nope. There's no game.
Yeah.
We did well. We're kicking down.
What's your name?
Papadero.
What is it?
Papadero.
Papadero. Nice to meet you. Wow. Wait, are the other ones the same?
Yeah.
Oh, they're different.
They're the same.
Oh, they're the same. Oh, shit. Girl. I love your tiny top hat. Ah! Really gotta hand it to our conclave because they have the same music taste that we do. We have a rehearsal right before we perform in front of the man, and so everybody had to meet at our camp to practice all the way through, and I think we did it a couple times. So originally our submission has music, but during our performance we only have drums, and so it was really based on us counting out all of our moves and choreography. 'Mount Neverest' is also a pun like Everest as well as Never Rest, and this was our absolute favorite place to party, and we got to meet some of the DJs and say hi to them, which was really awesome. There was fire spinning and a bunch of really cool art cars that were parked right by this area. Their dome lounge was so cool. You could hear everybody echoing inside because of the material that they covered it with, but it was also designed like a snow lodge, and all the details were so beautiful as well as cozy at the same time.
You check if this ice real quick.
Yes! Terrier, crocodile, alligator. Why does it have birds?
That was a remix for.
Oh, is this a tiki? No. Island. Oh, they've never been that heavy either. Well, yeah, I'll say hi to everything. It is everything. Ugh. Fuck your burn. Elsa said in the porta potties, God is come.
Yo, thank you guys so much. This is incredible.
We stayed up all night, and in total, we actually see like 5 or 6 sunrises this whole Burning Man trip. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it so that other people can learn more about the Burning Man culture, subscribe and click the notification bell so that you know when I have new content out. And until next time, keep curious, everyone. Jack out.